Welcome to our channel, where we embark on captivating journeys into the lives of remarkable individuals. Today, we delve into the fascinating story of Henry Ford, a visionary and inventor who revolutionized the world of transportation. Join us as we explore the incredible journey of a man whose innovations changed the way we travel. Henry Ford was born in 1863 in Michigan, USA. From a young age, he had a keen interest in mechanics and machinery. Little did he know that his passion would lead him to become one of the most influential figures in the history of automobiles. Henry Ford's dream was to build a car that would be affordable for the average person. In 1908, he introduced the Model T, a groundbreaking automobile that was reliable, efficient, and affordable. One of Henry Ford's most significant contributions was the development of the assembly line. By introducing a system where each worker had a specific task, the production process became faster and more efficient, making cars more affordable for millions of people. With the success of the Model T and the introduction of the assembly line, Henry Ford transformed the automobile industry. Cars became more accessible, allowing people to travel farther and faster, opening up new possibilities for work, leisure, and exploration. Henry Ford's innovation extended beyond the assembly line. He also introduced other groundbreaking technologies, such as the use of interchangeable parts and the implementation of a minimum wage for workers, fostering a sense of innovation and social responsibility. Henry Ford's impact on the world cannot be overstated. His innovative spirit and determination revolutionized the automotive industry, transforming the way we live, work, and travel. His vision paved the way for a new era of transportation and inspired generations of inventors and entrepreneurs. Henry Ford's story reminds us that with passion, perseverance, and a commitment to innovation, we can bring about significant change in the world. His legacy continues to inspire us to push boundaries, think differently, and create a better future. And so, the story of Henry Ford reminds us that the power of innovation and determination can transform our lives and reshape the world. Join us for more captivating tales of extraordinary individuals who turned their dreams into reality.